What's up, people? So, doing another YouTube video this Saturday, which is Saturday right now. It's at the Elks Lodge in Chestertown. We're ready to do the trunk sprints and trunk show. I think they're having big ring racing, ATV racing, and trunk racing. So they're having a whole bunch and the show. So I'm heading there right now. I got Brett behind me. I don't know. Yeah, Brett's right there. Follow me, and then we're about to pull up there. So stay tuned. Do a little vlog action.
A little what's up, brother action.
Oh,
yeah.
This is YouTube guy out here. Old Brett. Say your YouTube name.
First Gen God. Go check it out. Go
Trash.
check it out. We got real
Trash.
cram equipment. We got real cram equipment over here, okay? Real cram equipment. Real cram equipment over here.
You can't even speak right.
Real cram equipment. Okay. Okay? Not this foam shit, not this extendo dick shit. He's got, okay?
Get out of here. I need this.
Yeah, you do. You need a diesel. You need a diesel.
No, I don't need a diesel.
You need a diesel.
No.
You're going to be the only one without a diesel. When Brandon gets a 4th gen, and then Jamil's got a 3rd gen, I got a 1st gen. Yeah, he's mad.
I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Nope.
He needs one.
Nope. I don't need a diesel. I don't know what he's talking about.
No one needs a diesel.
Man's just chomping. Man's just yapping his chompers.
He wants one.
Little chomp action.
He likes 2nd gens.
I like 2nd gens.
Yeah.
But I'll set the gas.
Look at that.
Shut the hell.
Look at that.
Get away from it.
I'll tell you what to do.
Nope.
Okay. You ain't my daddy.
Get your nostrils out of here.
What?
Get your nostrils out of here.
My nostrils is nowhere even near you. You want to see nostrils? Okay. Hold on, everybody. Daddy's talking about nostrils, okay?
Why are you putting your hat backwards?
Because it's better, like, there's a shadow over my face when I put... Stupid. Anyway, all right, Daddy's talking about nostrils.
What is this man talking about?
Daddy's talking about nostrils. You want some nostrils?
Nope.
You want some nostrils? You want some nostrils?
Get out of here.
Yeah. Because he knows, ever since they've been trends since 2005.
Hey, get some new boots. Them things crusty.
Boy.
Them things are crusty.
These are newer than yours.
No, they ain't.
Yes, they are.
No, they ain't.
Yes, they are.
No, they ain't.
These are only, for one,
Oh, dusty, crusty ass.
For one, put it in the light. Put it in the light.
Oh, clap boots.
Put yours in the light.
Oh, clap boot guy.
He won't put them in the light. Put them in the light.
They're in the light. See, they're in the light.
Look at that crusty shit. Look. This
is
a light dirt.
Trash.
Little light dirt.
Garbage.
Sir.
Garbage. What you got to say, Brett?
What I gotta say?
I need this.
What I gotta say?
Man, that man's been fucking racing, dude. Look. Little bump and scrub.
Fuck her right in the pussy.
Oh. Yeah, boy. Get out of here. It's tough. I like it.
Sucks the battery.
Clean and simple.
Yeah.
There you go. That's what you need in the future, Brett.
A 5th gen, eventually. You know,
I
I like them pre-emissions right now, man.
Huh?
So I like pre-emissions right now. Like I would have been got a 4th gen, but
Man.
I want to get as many pre-emission trucks before they go through the ceiling.
Well, if you live in Queen Anne's County, you have emissions. Like me.
Yeah, fuck you guys.
That bitch is long.
Fucking
Why is it so long? Well, I'm not a liberal, sir.
You're a liberal county.
Well, I'm not a liberal,
with
though.
them fucking rules.
I know.
You need to move.
That bitch is long.
Look at that tip. A long truck, big tip. Not a long tip. Short and stubby.
Hey, that's why girls like it. They like more girth. I'm not putting that on my YouTube video.
They don't tell you that.
What?
They don't tell you that when you grow up.
Oh.
They make sure they get what they want.
What size? Is it 12? Yeah, it is 12.
I'll be getting 10s and 12s. I think I saw
This guy. Cuz the world shall know. I say Cummins. Enough shit. Got it. That bitch is turbo. Holy yes!
Yo, look at this fucking 4th gen. This is a crew cab. This is a crew cab. No one there.
blanket shit. All their shit's fast. And it's his son driving it, so he's been driving that shit forever.
Oh my god, she's that makes sense.
Get your tongue out of here. Get out of here. Oh, my camera. Yeah.
Shit, what was my nickname? Black Soul, baby. Black Soul, baby.
What's Nick's new name?
Black Soul.
Oh, Black Soul.
Yes,
Let's go on my YouTube. Oh, Black Soul over here.
Subscribe.
Oh.
When I hit you up, I'm talking about bang.